This is not something I normally do. I don't really do camera stuff anymore. It's been a number of years. Actually, no, I do film these quite often, but I never edit them. I'll have to be on this camera angle, won't I? Because my address is on here. Get rid of that. This is an unboxing. This is cool. So, a bit of history, I guess. In that.
Let me know if you like them. Hey, Haydn.
Hey, Haley.
You okay?
Good. How are you guys?
Yeah, good. Hi, Haydn. How are you?
I'm good, Hayden. How are you?
I'm good. Great.
No worries. Alright, a bit of history then. I tell you what, we'll do some real history. God, okay. You know, 2Ds have things like this. That was a pretty solid phone. Local Samsung from forever ago. It's, you know, as a 3 megapixel f2.8. That's what that is. Yeah. You know, the smartphones had them, but we started YouTube on started my YouTube on this here, this iPod Touch. Okay, I want to say it's a, it might be, no, it's 1 megapixel camera, I believe. But it meant that we had a camera and something to edit on, so got started. There are phones in here, iPhone 5C, 6S. This is this was the first camera we started on here. This is what we upgraded to back in November 2019. It came with this, which is a 15 to 45, I think it says on here, 3.5 to 6.3. A really terrible butt lens, something to start out with. It means you can get started, you can take a picture, your camera can actually function. Very soon. Got rid of that. Actually, I never use that now, it's just a paperweight. I got this. This is a really nice, it's a 22mm 1 f2. It's quite wide, and then for the longest time it was the only lens I had, so my entire project would entirely be shot on this, and I think it's really good to start with just one lens. You really have to learn your stuff if you got just the one lens. But what you really wanted, which is something that I think everyone, but you choose what you probably buy first. It's on here now. It's the 50mm 1.8. Couldn't afford a 1.4, definitely not a 1.2. 1.8 is plentiful. And this is what I've pretty much photographed everything on these days. It stays on here, and then I switch to the 22 if I need to. But that brings me to the point of this today. Wait, before we jump in. My mom found this. It's her old film camera. It's, let's have a look. It's a Samsung Pheno 105 DLX, whatever that means, whatever that is. It's literally a point and shoot. It's still got some film in there. It's a Kodak 200, 24 images. I carried it around Spain with me. I was in Spain for a month. Here's pictures 1, 2, 3, and 4 just to show. Yeah, I cannot wait to get this all developed. I've yet to get around to it. I want to finish this roll before I do. But it's you know, it was kind of cool to shoot film, and every time you took a shot, kind of a deep breath in to make sure you get it right, because you only get one shot at it. But I want to elevate that a little bit, and that does bring us to this. Maybe overpaid a little bit for it, but it seemed like a really good, less risky. I suppose I could have paid a lot less, but there would have been higher risk involved. It comes with a roll film ready, Ilford HP5 Plus. Oh, it's black and white film. Oh, that's really cool. Okay, I'm actually more excited about the film now. Black and white film. Okay, that's actually quite nice. I was going to get rid of this. The old camera. Actually, I might keep it. I'll definitely keep this. I might not use it, but it's like a woven sort of tweed-like. Little camera symbol. Yeah, look at that. Little camera. Set upside down. Might be. Oh, and here it is. Don't need that. Oh, that's got some weight to it. I feel I'm so giddy over this. Alright. Oh wow. Okay. Wow. That is clean. That is well kept. I need to look at how nice. Oh, look at that. Look at the glass on that. That is amazing. Look how clean that is. Oh, and this is. Oh, I got a 1.4, didn't I? So this is a 50mm 1.4. Oh. Oh, I'm getting all this in frame because this is amazing to look at. This is incredible. Oh, that's incredible. That is. So can I now? Yeah. That's so cool. Okay. I'd probably play safe and shoot on F2. Is that 1.8? So 1.4, 1.8, 1.2, 2.4, 2.8. Yes, there's half stops in between. F2 seems like a good one. I need to work out what all these do. I am blown away. But at the very least, I can switch over to A. Is that right? Yeah, I have to do that. Go up to Program, and then it will just be automatic. I'm going to have to learn how to use this. I wish I had more to say, because I'd like to say I don't do these kind of videos. But my god. That is incredible. A genuine, brand new, feels like new Canon AE-1 Program, all black. Well, I'm not going to load film into it because I'll probably want to play around with it for a few days. And I'm going to have to find something to do to go out and actually put this to use. I need to finish the roll of film into the camera first, but after that I've got some nice black and white film to shoot. And 50 is a nice lens. Oh, one more time. Ready? I want to give a... it's GrainyDays and BadFlashes. Jason and Caleb. It's you guys that have me at this point. I really want to thank you both. My website is in the description below. Go take a look. My Instagram will be linked there as well. Go have a look at kind of the work I've done. Nothing on there at the moment will be film. At least not in the next 6 months, I imagine. Possibly up to a year. I've got a lot going on, but hopefully at some point in that year, we'll work out how to digitize my film photos and put them on projects for film photographs. But yeah. Alright, this is way too long. I'm actually going to edit this one this time. That's what I'm going to do for the next hour. Well, that is the Canon AE-1. Thank you all for watching. I might do a follow-up video once I know what all the shit does and how to actually work the thing, other than just firing off the shutter. I might make a follow-up. But that is satisfying. Alright. I didn't mean for that to sound so. But yeah. Alright, thank you very much. See you all. Bye bye. Bye.